Hello, my name is Mayra Gonzalez, and next I will talk about the trend I choose assessment for skills for life, which is aligned with SDG, the same work and economic growth. Introduction. This is educational trend seeks to ensure that assessment not only measure knowledge but also develop skills such as communication, critical thinking, and autonomy. It is aligned con SDGH, which promotes access to the same use and economic growth. A quality education opens doors to more jobs opportunities, trade, learning, and the dignified life. Assessments challenging students and strengthen their skills to face real world challenges. Okay. Evaluation implement number two, an online quiz was created to help students identify sample sentences in the present tense, affirmative, negative, and interrogative, focusing on grammatical structure and the use of the third person. It includes 15 questions on 11 multiple choice, one open-ended, three fill-in-the-blank question. The activity aimed to improve English proficiency, grammatical analysis, reading comprehension, and organization of ideas. Open in-depth question encourage creative and independent expression. Okay, lead to the evaluation. Topic present sample grades 7, 8, and 9. Total question 15. Weights per question 1 point. And total score 15 points. Okay. This question evaluation is 15. Um, que los resultados en realidad fueron buenos. La gran mayoría de estudiantes, como pueden observar aquí, acertaron más de 10 preguntas, lo que deja en claro que pues este método de evaluaciones en línea pues es favorable para ellos y se ve reflejado en en el resultado. Thank you for attention.